I got some deliveries, and this time is from Farmer Freds. Well, they are well known for their home-crafted, slow, and smoked meats. And this time I have the ribs, the pork ribs, and the beef belly. What I really like is they having these reheating instructions. Well, because of course, this is best eaten while hot. So, dapat boiled water lang, dili boiling. But I'm quite excited. So yeah, ako lang i-mold and I'll just turn the heat off. Or ako lang siyang i-simmer gamay para madali. That's it. That was quick. Yan. Okay. It looks so juicy already. Nanghumot ang diretso eh. So tender. Kapag nag-mashed potato ko na, ako kaandam. And the beef belly. Yes. Yan. Now na to, guys. Dalaway pa more. Beef belly time. Seriously, it's so tender and so juicy. And the flavors really nanuot din siya. Trust me. Ribs time. Kamuton tanaw eh. Para mas lami. But leave some for the doggy. This is it. Order na mo, guys. Well, to order, just do message their official social media accounts. And please don't forget to follow me in all my social media accounts if ever you haven't. So just stay home, stay safe, and just keep smiling.